Oh man, what's up? Hey, you guys thought about clouds ever? What's up with clouds, man? Oh wow, they're up there, just kind of up. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah, 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 yeah. You know there's clouds. Wow, clouds. Dang.
The thing about clouds is they're vapor. Clouds are nature's first vape. That's the weirdest thing about
Clouds is that nature knew vaping before vaping was even a thing. They're just up there, water vapor, not smoke, man, hanging out. Clouds, and they're so heavy. That's just so much vapor. It's amazing. It's
The thing about clouds is they're vapor.
they're vapor. Clouds are nature's first vape, and if you can't take that and inhale it, I don't know, as an alternative to harsher substances, water vapor. That's nice. A certain amount of water vapor in the air is nice.
That's what's great about water. It's nice. I mean, the
Air is mostly nitrogen, which is weird. Fertilizer in your skin, on your hands and your lungs, nitrogen. But I don't even
even know that. I haven't
hung out with nitrogen. I mean, except in everything I eat and breathe, and then you've got oxygen and water vapor and other stuff's in air too. I mean, what do I look?
look like a
Scientist?
The thing about clouds is they're vapor. Clouds are nature's first vape. That's the weirdest thing about
Clouds is that nature knew vaping before vaping was even a thing.
The thing about clouds is they're
Thing about clouds. They're basically just floaty. They're floaty. They're so
Damn floaty and
I could see
just jumping around on them and moving through the skyways and
collecting fire flowers. If science hadn't ruined that for us, we could still
imagine that was a totally feasible thing. Fire flowers and jumping and
thing about clouds is they're
plumbing,
vapor.
man.
Clouds are nature's first vape. That's the weirdest thing about clouds.
nature knew vaping before vaping was even a thing. Thing. Vapor, not smoke, man. Hanging out. Clouds, and they're so heavy. That's just so much vapor. It's amazing. It's
The thing about clouds is they're vapor. Clouds are nature's first vape. That's the weirdest thing about
clouds is that nature knew vaping before vaping was even a thing. They're just up there, water vapor, not smoke, man. So that's all you need to know about clouds. You don't need to go in some vape shop and get talked down to by a guy with a Monster Energy drink, tattoo koozie. It's a tattoo of a koozie with a Monster Energy drink logo on it, and you don't need to get talked down to by that vape man, because the cloud man, the sky person, the great sky creator lord, sky lord, created vape clouds for everyone, man, and get with that. Get those clouds. Check them out. It's summertime, y'all. All right. and make sure to be punctual and on time in your daily activities. Cool. This has been a hot take of the minute of the time of day. Goodbye.